Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we are going to put some of these Sweatso pads onto that hard hat right over there. I think these are a fantastic product and should be in actually everyone's hard hat, any kind of construction. So you get a package of two. You pull those out. Just has some Velcro there. Take out the insert, and then the idea is just to wrap this portion around, and you should be able to see right in there. We just wrap that around. Same thing here. Very simple to do. And there you have it. Your Sweatso pad is installed. Now, since there is a package of two, you can do the same thing and go around the back, or you could share it with a friend. The choice is yours. But either way, you're definitely going to want to wear your hard hat all day long. Thanks for watching.